deceive, and crouch. Take a look at this question here. Which of yesterday's words might you use if you were describing a game of hide and seek? How might you use the word? Right, really you could use any of these three words to describe playing hide and seek. The first one that comes to mind when I think of hide and seek is I think of the word pursue. Now how I might use that to describe this situation is that if students are out on the playground and they are playing hide and seek, then the person who is trying to find them is pursuing the people that are hiding. You may have used a different example or another word. Let's play a game. This game is called Would You? If you were trying to reach for something on a very high shelf, would you crouch? Why or why not? Right, it probably wouldn't make sense if you were trying to reach something up above you to crouch down. Remember, to crouch down means like to bend down or to lower your body. So it really wouldn't make sense in this example. Let's look at the second example. If you knew someone had deceived you, would you rejoice? Why? Right. We know that the word deceive means someone has tricked you. We also know that the word rejoice means that you're filled with joy and happiness. And I don't know about you, but if someone tricked me or deceived me, I would not be very happy or full of joy. I'd probably be pretty upset and kind of saddened by it. Let's look at the last example. If your hat blew off in the wind, would you pursue it? And why? Right, if this was a hat that you really liked and it was of great value to you, if it blew off of your head, you'd probably go and try to pursue it or to catch it and retrieve it. Great job today. That wraps up day 4.